portable shower, Ponchos, warm clothes, Hangover Cures, Earplugs, a first aid kit. Whether it's tripping over one of the stakes for your tent, stepping on a piece of broken glass, or falling epically as you attempt to run to the next set, your first aid kit will be a saving grace. One from any pharmacy before heading out for the weekend and come back in one piece. Solar or battery-powered phone chargers. A decent tent. Water. Trash bags. Baby wipes. Sunscreen.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.